Gently pull back the door gasket. Insert the screws into the holes behind the gasket. Place the handle on the outside of the glass door. Secure it with the 2 screws provided. Plug in the unit. Press the plus button or the minus button to adjust the set temperature to your desired value. With each pressing, the temperature will change by 1 Fahrenheit or 1 centigrade. The default setting is 39 Fahrenheit, and the setting range is 37 to 61 Fahrenheit. Press the plus button and the minus button at the same time for more than 3 seconds. The temperature unit can convert between Fahrenheit and centigrade. Press the light button for more than 3 seconds. The LED light will be turned off. Press the light button for more than 3 seconds again. The lighting function will recover. Note: for maximum energy efficiency, leave the lights off when not viewing your collection. Press the on-off button for more than 3 seconds. It will turn off the cooling function of the corresponding cooling compartment. Short press the on-off button of this compartment. It will start to run again. If the wine cooler isn't cooling as expected, touch the side panel to check if it's warm. If it doesn't, please contact the after-sales service team.